my god guys, check out this fish pie. They look so amazing and they taste even better than they look. Welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you are just stopping by for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do support my channel by subscribing. So as you can see, I will start by cutting my fish, and I'll go ahead and put them in here and then clean them very well. Make sure when you are washing your fish you remove the gut, and then after I remove the gut, I will go ahead and use salt to wash my fish very well. If you have lemon, you can also use lemon to clean your fish, but I don't have lemon, so I'll just use salt and water to rinse it off very well. Now I am done washing my fish. I will transfer it into a plate, then I'll go ahead and marinate the fish. If you are not in a hurry, you can marinate it at least an hour or overnight, but if you are in a hurry, you can go hard on your seasoning so that your fish will taste good. But if you are not in a hurry, you don't need to add much seasoning to it. Just add it in moderation and then keep it. Now I'll go ahead and add my oil in the pan and then heat it up before I start frying my fish. Well, my fish is done. It didn't actually take me a very long time to fry the fish, so I'll go ahead and take it out of the oil and shred it. I'm going to shred it as you see in the video before I go ahead to make the filling for the fish pie. So in a pan, put small amount of oil and then go ahead and fry your onion, scotch bonnet, season it and spice it, then you go ahead and add in your fish. That is it, as simple as that. Now that we are done with the filling, let's go ahead and make the dough for this fish pie. In here I weighed out my flour and I'll go ahead and sift it before adding the rest of my ingredients. I added 1 tablespoon of baking powder, mixed it very well, and then I added half sachet of margarine, that is half cup, and I'll go ahead and mix everything well. You can add in salt into it, but I didn't add salt because the margarine I'm using is very salty, so there's no need for me to add salt. But if you feel like adding salt, please go ahead and add salt in yours. So now I am adding in water bit by bit because I do not want to end up with a very sticky dough. As you can see, I'm adding it little by little and then mixing it. Continue to mix it until it forms a dough. Make sure you knead your dough very well, and then if your dough is hard, you can go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of water to soften it, and then after you are done, you let it rest for like 10 minutes before you start cutting it. While my dough is resting, I will go ahead and grease the pan with butter and then sprinkle a little bit of flour to avoid my fish pie from sticking to the pan. Go ahead and flour your working surface. Bring that dough and then divide it into two. Now go ahead and knead one part of the dough. Knead it very well and then use something, maybe a cutter or a cup or anything else you have, and then cut it into equal shapes. flour your working surface, go ahead and use a pizza cutter to cut it so that you can have equal, sides before you go ahead and add your fish filling. If you like, you can use a meat pie cutter. For this it's easier, and if you don't, you can just try my own method. So there you go, we've made our fish pie. Now I'll go ahead and bake it, and then I'll get back to you. So I completely forgot to give them an egg wash until I have started baking them. Then I remembered, so I went and took them out of the oven and gave them an egg bath and then egg wash, and then put them back in. Ta-da! Our fish pies are ready. It's very easy to make and it tastes so good. So thank you guys for watching. Please do try this and let me know what you think, and if there's anything you'd like to see on my channel, comment down below. Thank you and see you guys next time.